Hi everyone. So last but not least, we're going to talk about basic facts that can help us to subtract much larger numbers. So I've got my basic fact up here in the corner. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Let's take a look at what happens when I subtract this. 15 minus 3 equals 12. What about 25 minus 3? What about 45 minus 3? So ask yourself, what kind of pattern are you seeing? 75 minus 3. Just like using the basic facts to help us add, we can do it to subtract. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3. And then we've got our 2 always in the ones place. 5 minus 3 equals 2, using that basic fact. The only thing that is ever changing, once again, take a look, is the tens place. Here, I have a number that equals 1 10, 5. I have a number here that equals 2 tens, 5. I have a number here that equals 4 tens, 5. Number here that equals 7 tens, 5. So you have to ignore the tens place for a second and use that 5, right? And take your 3 away from your 5. All right, so that was an example. Let's do one or two more to help us subtract. Let's do 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that's a basic fact. That's a 3. So here we go. I could do any number that has got a 4 in the ones place. Let's do 84 minus 1. That's the basic fact. Equals 83. What about 64 minus 1? Here's my basic fact. I'm going to look here first. 4 minus 3, that's 3. So I'm going to put that, 4 minus 1. That's 3. So I'm going to look at that. I'm going to put that 3 down in my ones place. But I have to remember, I've got a 60 living out here. I cannot forget. If this confuses you, think of it this way. 64 minus 1 equals what? Well, here's your basic fact. Put your 3 in the ones place. And imagine that you have 60 there. Well, what is 60 plus 3? It is 63. So you can use your basic facts to help you add and also to help you subtract.